Maybach's back? Last available in the UK in 2012 in full-fat format atop £345,675, Mercedes bid to reactivate its dormant pre-war luxury nameplate was scuppered by a resurgent Rolls-Royce. That, and the fact that the only people who seemed to fancy this rather ersatz were those Berks off Dragon's Den. Mercedes sold 3,200 in total during its 10-year lifespan, but rather than admitting defeat, this time it's adopted a different strategy. It may seem a little unimaginative, but the reborn Maybach is effectively a reworked S-Class. On the other hand, given that the current model is A, comfortably the best car in its segment and B, shifted in excess of 100,000 units worldwide in its first full year on sale, that's a pretty rational jumping-off point. Mercedes now prefers to see Maybach as a distinct sub-brand, in the same vein as AMG, whose technical reliance on the Stuttgart mothership is hardly what you'd call an impediment. What does Maybach stand for? Space, exclusivity, and world-leading refinement, S-Class product boss Martin Hulder tells DG.com. Further Maybach adventures are in the pipeline, a new super-luxury SUV surely the likeliest next step, and there's a freshness to the thinking that was arguably missing first time out. Where do you start? With the silver-plated champagne flutes by Robin Birkin, housed in their own dedicated armrest? The rear cup holders, which glow blue when they're cooling your Dom Perignon, red when they're keeping your coffee hot? Or with the Burmester 3D audio system that has 24 speakers and a 1,540-watt total output? Or possibly the airbag that's built into the rear seat cushion, inflating if you're unlucky enough to be fully reclined in the event of a high-speed impact to stop you submarining under the seat belt? This is an engineering powerhouse.